Freelancing platforms for earning money online. Welcome to our Freelancing Platforms Guide. By the end of this training, you will identify top freelancing websites to start earning money online. Understand the benefits and target audience for each platform. Learn actionable tips to enhance freelancing success. Discover strategies to land high-paying gigs. Here are the best platforms to kickstart your freelancing journey. Upwork connects freelancers with clients worldwide. How to use. Explore various job categories and submit proposals. Action. Create a standout profile and apply to beginner-friendly jobs. Fiverr is ideal for quick service offerings. How to earn. Set up gigs for services you excel at. Action. Optimize your gig with keywords to increase visibility. Freelancer allows you to bid on diverse projects. How to compete. Bid on projects that match your skills. Action. Start with lower bids to gain experience and reviews. PeoplePerHour is great for hourly work. How to manage. Submit proposals for hourly projects. Action. Showcase your best work in your profile. Toptal is for elite freelancers in tech and design. How to join. Pass their rigorous screening process. Action. Apply if you have advanced skills for high-paying jobs. FlexJobs offers scam-free remote opportunities. How to find. Browse verified remote job listings. Action. Consider a membership for full access to listings. 99 Designs is perfect for graphic designers. How to compete. Participate in design contests. Action. Build your portfolio through contest submissions. Rev is great for transcription and captioning. How to start. Take their transcription test. Action. Begin transcribing or captioning work immediately. We Work Remotely lists high-paying jobs without middlemen. How to apply. Search for tech and marketing roles. Action. Negotiate your rates confidently during applications. Let's look at some real-world examples of freelancing success. A beginner uses Fiverr to sell logo designs and gains clients quickly. Pause and evaluate. Is the gig suitable for your skill level? Your action should be: apply and showcase your previous work. An experienced developer applies on Toptal for high-paying projects. Pause and consider. Do you meet Toptal's qualifications? If yes, apply and prepare for their screening process. Now let's recap on what you learned and what you need to remember. Freelancing offers quick earning potential. Choosing the right platform is crucial for success. Building a strong profile and portfolio is essential. Consistency in applying for jobs leads to better opportunities. Comment below on which freelancing platform you will try first. Thank you for joining our Freelancing Platforms Guide.